welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of MaekllTech. We will be producing the problem as displayed on the screen, converting from orthographic to isometric projection using the Autocad. Alright, so from this starting point, making it as our lowest point. So from this starting point, distance of 75 at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, then an height of 103, enter. Distance of 75, enter. Then all the way back here, like that. So going towards this direction again, distance of 12, enter. Okay, height of 12, enter. Like this as 30 degrees, distance of 50, enter. Height of 75, enter. 50, enter. Then closing it here. Alright, so I'm going to click on okay. I think I can easily trim this out, and I think that is that over there, like that. So my line, distance of 12, enter. Distance of 75, enter. Okay, distance of 12, enter. 75, enter. Okay, so I think I can trim all these excesses out of the way. Alright, okay. Okay. Okay, the area is settled like that. So towards the back here, from a mark of 25, enter. Mark of 5, enter. 25, enter. Locked right there. 12.5, enter. Like that. Enter, and 25, and like this. So I'm trimming this. Okay, at 50, enter and locking it here. 50, enter, then locking it here. I trim this. Okay, so I think this should be right here, like this. I think the area is sorted also. So from here at height of 50, enter, yeah, 12, enter, 12, enter, yeah, and from here at 30 degrees also, like that. I'm trimming this and this and probably this. Okay, and that is the production of that particular drawing in isometric. That is production isometrically. So I think I have a 3D of that particular object here. This is the problem, this is the solution, and the 3D actually looks like this. So it is actually something like this, as you can see right here. Okay, do you see that? That is how this object actually looks like. And if I turn it for you, that is how it looks like pictorially in a 3D manner. Okay, so which is what I'm having here, so which means we are actually correct. Once again, my name remains Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure you refer to this video to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.